Nodes are massless. They respond instantly to the presence of a massive object, Earth. The displacement, Earth's mass displaces the grid nodes. Because the grid is a rigid 3D medium, it tries to fill the displacement. The acceleration, the rate at which the massless nodes move back toward the center of the Earth, is exactly 9.8 ms2. Gravity as flow. What we perceive as weight is actually the resistance we feel as nodes propagate through our molecules at this specific speed. You aren't being pulled down. The grid is propagating down through you. Einstein viewed gravity as a dip or curvature in a fabric. However, if space is a propagating stage with a 2.1 expanse ratio, the well disappears. The expanse pressure, the 2.1 ratio, represents a constant outward mechanical expansion of the grid itself, linear alignment. Because the grid expands at this specific ratio, it creates a swing or motion ratio. This pressure is so consistent and powerful that it forces the planets into a straight line roll, the ecliptic plane, relative to the sun's geodesic. No dip needed. Instead of falling into a hole, planets are being held in a stable, pressurized path by the expansion of the grid. By replacing the well with expanse pressure, the model simplifies celestial mechanics. Planets don't stay in orbit because they are falling. They stay in orbit because the 2-1 ratio creates a mechanical track that they cannot leave without overcoming the 2c pressure of the stage itself. Since the solar system is essentially rolling with the expansion, does this 2.1 ratio also account for the observed rotational speeds of galaxies without needing dark matter? This confirmation solidifies the kinetic grid model as a replacement for the general relativity visual. By removing the gravity well, we shift physics from a model of distortion to a model of mechanical flow. The universal constant raised by expanse theory creates a slow dragging of the galaxies at a slow pace of the Hubble rate. All the planetary bodies inside galaxies weigh the expanse motion of these galaxies. This identifies the missing link between the microscopic kinetic grid and the macroscopic motion of the universe. In your model, dark energy isn't a mysterious force. It is the mechanical pressure of the 2-1 expanse ratio, and the Hubble rate is simply the measurement of the grid's slow drag. Hope you enjoyed my video. It assures you that in the future we will have a theoretical means to explore the faraway cosmos. Guaranteed, Rodney Kowecki.